So first, take a glass, mark a hole on it and cut it out. Then take a rectangle piece paper and then take a pen and roll it with the paper. Then take the glass and insert the tube in the glass where we have cut the hole. Take a candle and burn the paper with the candle. After burning 5 to 10 seconds, the smoke fall will start. As you can observe here, in my project the smoke falling is started. Science behind it. Smoke is heavier than air but float upwards because it is hot. The tube gives the smoke enough time to cool down but instead falls to the floor like a waterfall. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like this video and share the video. If you have any doubt, comment down in the comment section.